In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add uTorrent extension in Chrome. If you're brand new to Chrome extensions, don't worry. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on any computer. First, open Google Chrome. Using Chrome matters because extensions are installed inside this browser. Make sure you're signed into the right Chrome profile if you use more than one, so the extension ends up where you want it. Next, look to the very top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main menu with Tools and Settings. We'll use it to get to the place where extensions live. From that menu, move your mouse to the Extensions option. A small sub-menu will appear. Choose the item that takes you to the Chrome Web Store. This is Google's official catalog for extensions, and it's the safest place to install them. It usually opens in a new tab so you can easily come back to your browsing afterward. Inside the Chrome Web Store, go to the search bar at the top left and type uTorrent. Spelling isn't case sensitive, but keep it as one word. You should see results related to uTorrent or BitTorrent. Take a moment to read the description and check the star rating and number of users. Choosing a well-reviewed listing from a trusted publisher helps ensure you get the right tool without unwanted extras. When you've found the correct uTorrent extension, click the Add to Chrome button on its page. Chrome will display a quick list of permissions the extension needs. Read these carefully so you understand what access you're granting. This is a good habit for any extension you install. A confirmation box will appear. Click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will download and install it automatically, and you'll see a brief message confirming it's been added. Depending on your settings, its icon may appear near the top right of the browser. If you don't see it immediately, that's okay. It's still installed and available through the Extensions menu. That's it. You open Chrome, use the menu to reach the Chrome Web Store, search for uTorrent, click Add to Chrome, and confirm by selecting Add Extension. If you ever need to disable or remove it later, you can do that from the same extensions area you used today. Thanks for watching and enjoy managing your torrents right from Chrome.